Hello, my name is Martin Riechenhagen. I'm the Chairman and CEO of AGCO Corporation. Our vision, high-tech solutions for professional farmers feeding the world. Today I want to talk to you about the 2015 annual report and also give an outlook on 2016. 2015 was a very challenging year. Low commodity prices had a big impact on demand, and we looked into our costs. We focused on all our processes in the factories, in our various brands, and we also managed inventories very well. So we ended up with inventories being lower by 130 million compared to 2014. In 2016, everybody at AGCO is focused on gaining market share. We need to understand the needs of our customers. We need to understand our dealers better. We need to train our people, but also the salespeople of our partners in distribution. We also work on Fuse, our idea of connecting all products a farmer needs and a farmer operates. And we look into new markets. The future emerging markets which are important for us and our industry are China and Africa. In China, we invested into a brand new state-of-the-art tractor factory, and we want to use this factory not only to do business in China, but also to export from China into our other core markets. Africa is a very dynamic market with huge challenges. We invested into a factory in Algeria, and we think that you only can do business in Africa if you also train farmers. And that is what we do on our future farm in Zambia. Finally, a very important initiative refers to manufacturing, research and development and purchasing. We call it platform solutions. We believe in our multi-brand strategy, but we want to make sure that we are cost efficient, which means that we need to share as many parts as possible between the various brands. 2015 was a great year for AGCO. We were in a position to outperform competition by good management and leadership. I want to thank our employees for their motivation and for their commitment, our customers for their loyalty, our suppliers for their support, our dealers for the good cooperation, and finally our shareholders for trusting AGCO's team. We are committed to deliver a very solid result in 2016.